The joy of new life, a healthy newborn, is a parent's dream. The thrill and endless wonder, hope for a bright future. But sometimes, nature turns hope into despair. And for a child born with a damaged heart, even their immediate future is uncertain. Dr. Yves Dudechem is a world-renowned pediatric heart surgeon at the National Children's Heart Institute.
It is so deeply upsetting to have to say to a mom, a dad, that there's nothing you can offer to their sick child. Too often, for infants in need of a heart transplant, either there's no donor heart available, or the child is too sick or too small to offer surgery at that time.
For adults with heart failure, cardiac assist devices can be implanted as a bridge to transplantation or to support the circulation, allowing these patients to live longer. Such pumps have proven successful for thousands of adults, but they are too large for most children. And no such device is available for the smallest infants, sadly leaving 3,000 children to die from heart disease every year.
The problem for the babies who are dying with congenital heart disease is that they are too small. If we had a machine that can maintain them alive for 6 months, a year, we could do a lot more things for them.
The Heart Hope for Kids Foundation is dedicated to providing the heart support these children so desperately need. Led by Drs. James Antaki, Harvey Borovitz, and Salim Olia, Heart Hope for Kids is on the cusp of transforming cardiac assist technology for infants. Since inventing the world's first implantable rotary maglev heart pump, Dr. Antaki has devoted his career to creating a similar device for children.
Well, you might think that an infant-sized heart pump is merely a miniaturized adult heart pump. But in reality, the engineering challenges are far more daunting. And that's why our dedicated team has worked so hard for so many years to make the impossible possible.
This is the PediaFlow, an implantable heart pump the size of a AA battery.
We designed the PediaFlow specifically for infants, but the technology is so advanced that it can one day help toddlers, adolescents, and even adults.
It's truly remarkable how much progress we've made. Through several government grants and contracts, we are where we are today, a working prototype.
A heart transplant is not the final answer for a young child or an infant, because they're going to need another heart transplant in 10 or 15 years. That's why our ultimate goal is to use the PediaFlow to rehabilitate the child's heart back to health so they'll never need a heart transplant.
But for us to make PediaFlow a clinical success, we need to further refine, develop, and test our technology. And that's going to take some significant investment.
Technologies have evolved, and still we do not have the machines that we need to support the hearts of babies and small children. We need this machine to save their lives. We need your support.
The PediaFlow represents an exciting new opportunity for heart-compromised infants, with our expectation that this technology may also find future use assisting toddlers and adolescents. But we need you to make this happen. For more information on how you can support this effort, please visit hearthopeforkids.org.